Correct.
Yes.
Parang isa sa mga
It was one of the demands of the young
building the confidence.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Maybe that's also the one. I think parang ganun. But,
and now there is a BBL. There's another negotiation. Do you think this would again happen?
No, I will insist on his detention. I will insist on his detention. If we have the grounds to detain him, we will have to detain him. Hindi namin pwede i-release yan. Those were two bizarre incidents and we cannot just let go of saying na wala kaming ebidensya. We will produce the witnesses at that time. There are witnesses. I hope they are now in our custody. But their names, I said forget it. Cannot give them to you.